A year and a half ago, I bought a camera just for fun. Today, I'm surrounded by drones, microphone, lights, and professional editing software. And I still have a full-time job. So, this video is about question, can I turn this passion into something more? Hi, I am Jeff, and welcome to my first video. This channel started just a hobby, nothing serious, just me, camera, and curiosity. But month after month, that hobby increased my passion. First, better camera, then drone, then microphone, lights, and finally DaVinci Resolve Studio. For the last year and a half, I've been filming videos just for myself, practice editing, making mistakes, fix them, and making new ones. Even bought a professional filmmaker course because I want to learn this one in the right way. No shortcuts, real skills. And here's the big challenge for all. English is not my first language. I live in Australia, and that's exactly why I decided to start this channel in English. Is it uncomfortable? Yes, I will make mistakes, absolutely. But growth never happens inside your comfort zone. So here's the plan. On this channel, I documented my journey from hobby to income. If you're learning a new skill, building something on the side, or creating in your second language, this channel definitely is for you. This is video number 1, then before picture. Subscribe and let's see how far this goes. See you in the next one.